Hello everybody, Mike here, welcome to the channel and thank you for stopping by. Today, as you can see, I am on South Promenade again. I was here yesterday filming and the wind and the waves was pretty massive. The tide's just about coming in now, as you can see. It's not quite fully in, but it's a big change from yesterday. Yesterday was pretty wild and the waves were churning up all the sand. You can see there's lots of that sand that's been washed over onto the prom itself. Now the reason I'm here today on this part of the prom out here is, well, to show you how everything looks, but also to test the sound on my camera. See, there's plenty of sand down there, and all that sand gets washed over and the waves come over, and that is why mostly the water sometimes looks really brown. It's when the waves are churning in a certain way, they're pulling up the sand, churning it in the water, and that's what makes the water look super brown some days. And that's also why it looks super clear on days when it's really calm. It's all to do with the waves and the sand. But anywho, another reason why I'm here is to test the sound on my camera. Because since I've started doing the commentary videos, the sound's been really bad sometimes. Because all I can hear is the wind blowing and I can't hear my voice when I play back the video. And because I only have a tiny pointer first camera, the microphone is like a little pinprick on the front of the camera. I've been looking for a fix and I think I may have found one. So the purpose of this video is to take my walk, to show you all the sand that's been washed upon the prom, and to test the sound. So I'm standing pretty much now facing the wind, which I normally wouldn't do, and if I recorded like this usually nobody would hear a word I said. So this is, yeah, sound test. But let's turn around and walk down south for a bit. Compared to how it was yesterday, it's a nice day. And I'm hoping you can hear me and the sound of the sea, and I'm just hoping for better sound. A lot of people have tried to be helpful online and they've told me lots of solutions to fix the sound on my camera. People have advised me what type of microphone to buy, but the thing is, yeah, as I've said, I only have this tiny little old cheap point and press camera, and it doesn't have the capabilities to have an external mic. So it's a matter of making the microphone on the camera more sound friendly, soundproof. I don't know what the correct expression would be, but here we go. Pretty much facing away from the wind now anyway, so the sound would be usually alright. So right now, for science, I'm going to turn back into the wind and see how it sounds. So I'm turning into the wind now. It's fairly windy, not super windy, but usually filming like this you wouldn't be able to hear me. So hopefully, if you guys can hear me now, found a way to fix the sound on the camera, and that makes me really happy. So hopefully it'll work. If you end up seeing this video, we're going to say it's worked. Okay guys, I'm going to end this one right now, so I'm going to say thank you for watching. Please leave a like and a comment, and please subscribe, and I'll see you folks in the next video. Goodbye.